Hello children, welcome to your English literature class. So I hope all of you remember the story which we had done in our previous session. Yes, the Bell of Archery. It was the story of King John, his wisdom and all that he did so that the people of his kingdom are treated rightly. How justice was served to a poor old horse. As the horse was no more needed by his master, he was not taken care of. But then, by the end of the lesson, we realized how important it is for all of us to take care of the ones who have grown old. We should love our elders, respect them, and take good care of them. We should never forget what they have done for us. So with this in our mind, let us proceed to do the exercises from this lesson. I hope all of you are ready with your textbooks and your pencils in your hand.
I'm sure all of you must have already done the question answers which were given in your assignment. So in this video, we shall just quickly recapitulate all the exercises that you have done from the chapter. So you can just have a look as to all the work, whether it is correct or not, as we proceed with the. So you can see the word wall given here. How many words can you make out of the letters in the word ministers? The word ministers is given to you, and from these letters you have to make some more words. The picture clues are provided. First one is already done, that is stir. Second is, you can see the pointer is on the stem of the flower, stem. Third is the picture of a nest. Number D is time. The clock shows the time, T-I-M-E. Number E, you can see mint, M-I-N-T. And lastly, you have the tin. Okay, go through your work. Here you have a list of professional people. You can see all the names are given in the box that is on the right hand side. And then you have to fill the speech bubbles. Okay, like you have to write the answer in one word. No, you get to write in your exams. I correct people who do something wrong. I am a judge. You can see the picture of the judge given there. The other one is I make statues. This person is making statues. So I am a sculptor. S-C-U-L-P-T-O-R. The other one, every night I look at the moon, the planets and the stars. I am an If a pipe or a tap leaks, call me. I am a plumber. All of you must have seen a plumber. Plumbers often visit your homes, no? When there is a problem, there is some leakage or a pipe or a tap, there is some problem. The other ones you can see, we perform in a circus. We are acrobats. And you already know about acrobats from the previous chapter. Pippi goes to the circus. I collect money at a store or supermarket. I am a cashier. And you can also see the cashiers, no, when you're going to the malls. The others, you can see all the children there, they are playing bands. We play in a band, we are musicians. Okay, there are many. So they are musicians. You have to write the plural form. Next, you have articles. You all are very well acquainted with the term articles. You have just recently done in your English language also. We have learnt about articles. They are the words that go before nouns. Now, we have learnt about definite articles and indefinite articles. The definite article, we have only one, that is the, and indefinite articles are a and an. Okay, so we use a and an when we do not refer to someone specific. An apple, a boy, a girl, a monkey. Can be any monkey, can be any apple. But when I use the article the, when I'm talking about the, we are always referring to someone or something specific. You see, the Taj Mahal, isn't it? Okay. I saw a boy, the boy was sitting. When you're talking about the same boy, you will write the boy. Okay. Okay, the Arabian Sea. So whenever we speak about a particular person or a particular object, we use the article the. And when it is indefinite, that means we are talking about anything, anyone, can be a and an. So you have a paragraph given here. You have to fill the blanks with a, an or the. So it's given here. We also use the to show that someone or something is special or one of a kind. The principal of our school. Any person cannot be your principal. No? You're talking about the principal of your school. So we write the principal of our school. The sun, the moon and the air. When the is used in front of a vowel, okay, but when the comes before a vowel sound, we pronounce it as a long the, so it is the, okay. But when the is written in front of a consonant sound, you say the sun and the moon. We don't pronounce it as the, okay. This is something you should know. Here, there was once a flock of birds peacefully pecking at seeds under a tree. So both the blanks will take a as an article. An old hunter, O is a vowel sound. An old hunter came along and threw a heavy net over them. He said, "Aha, now I have my dinner." All at once, the birds. You see here we are using the because we are talking about the particular flock of birds which we have mentioned in the previous sentence. Okay, we have already told about these birds. So now we are talking about the same birds. That is the reason we will write the birds. All at once the birds began to flap their wings. Up, up they rose into the air, taking the net with them. They came down on an apple tree. So this is mentioned for the first time. We are writing about apple tree. So we write an apple tree nearby. And as the net, see, net is repeated. So it becomes the net. Got caught in the tree. Now we are talking about that particular apple tree. So it's the tree's branches. The birds flew out from under it to freedom. The hunter, now the same hunter. So the hunter looked on in wonder, scratched his head and muttered, "As long as those birds work together with one another like that, I'll never be able to capture them. Each one of those birds is so weak, yet together they can lift the net." So again, the net. You all must have already heard this story. Okay, I hope you all have filled in the blanks properly and correctly in your textbooks. So here we come to the last exercise. You have to put a tick against the sentences in which the use of articles is correct. First one, Hillary and Tenzing climbed the Mount Everest. Climbed the Mount Everest. So how do we write it? How do we write it? The Mount Everest. We do not use the, okay, but not before the names of mountains. Mountain ranges we will use the. You write the Alps, the Himalayas, but Mount Everest you will not write the. Okay, a peak we don't use the, not before the name of the mountain. You use the only in front of the name of mountain ranges. See, I have underlined the, that is a mistake there. Kanchenjunga is a mountain in the Himalayas, that is tick. The Asia is the largest continent. No, the is struck off, you see. Asia is the largest continent. We don't write the Asia. Okay, so the third one is also wrong. Number D, there are very few trees in the Sahara Desert. That's the correct one. And number E, the Nile is the longest river in the world. That is also correct. So I hope all of you have done your work. A and C are incorrect. B, D and E are correct. And I have also given you the reason. So I hope you have very well revised. You are able and very thorough with this chapter now. See you all next with my next session. Till then, please take very good care of yourselves and be safe. Stay home and do not move out unnecessarily. Thank you and God.